just want to enter inside bush, feel relax. Nobody will disturb me. It's my turn to poo. It's my turn to do this. So I want to enter bush.
Where are you going?
I'm going to answer the question.
I hope you're not going to poo in bush.
Yes, that's where I'm going to. I'm looking for a place I will go and poo. If you have not done this, you've not landed, you've not come to village. So if you travel, you must enter inside the bush and go and answer because I'm going to poo. As you're seeing me, I'm looking for where I will poo. So if you travel and you've not done this, you've not started. So I'm looking for where to poo. So try and do this so if you have not done it. Where you will feel relaxed, where breeze and every other thing, where you'll be cooling off. Just feel relaxed. Eh? Right. It's been long. Oh.